that box.
What's up?
Magic box. Looks like fish got me.
Whoa, I guess it is. Excited as I am for this, but I am. What is up, you guys? My name is Jeremiah Molina, your friendly neighborhood Disney freak, but we're not at Disneyland. Today, we're at Knott Scary Farm, and I'm so pumped. Usually, I'm not into getting scared and all that, but I'm actually pretty excited. Yeah! So I'm here with my crew, my posse. This is Abby.
Hi.
It's her first time. What's up, Will? Yeah, I'm not the only one who's excited about today. How you doing? Yeah? Sounds like it. Why not? Would that be something that I would do? Like, I don't think I'd be that bad of a guy. Yo! Dad,
I've been driving 2 hours to get into a parking lot.
Go to Disneyland instead.
Go to Disneyland, they have better infrastructure. It's great. It's just expensive.
So,
I'm not okay. I'm dying on
When I went to Horlights, I bought a 23.
I am not doing good.
We were told we were in the line for a ride. It's not a ride.
alright, so this is our first maze. It's called Pumpkin Eater. I don't know if they're going to allow me to record or not. So, if they do, you'll see the footage for that. But if they don't, transition. Ow! It's in my face! Ow! Hello! Oh, wow. Oh. Hey, by the way. Hey, get off me. Whoa!
The whole time.
You did it!
Oh my god, oh my god.
Oh my god.
A lot of the people were actually really nice. I'm not even gonna lie. Hey, Alyssa, what'd you think? How was it?
You know I'm never coming back.
Oh, okay. Oh, geez. Abby, see, that wasn't so bad. Alright, so the next maze we're heading on is called the Deep. Alright, so the next maze we're headed to is called the Depths.
The Flying Dutchman. The Flying Dutchman from SpongeBob. From SpongeBob.
Don't leave well enough alone.
Abby, it's just a minor. Oh! Content! Whoa! Now that's cool! Oh yeah! Yo, that was amazing! Love it, that was so cool! Let's go!
Meanwhile,
Orange chicken? This is the most exquisite Panda Express you will ever find on the market.
Of course.
You won't find this anywhere else in the United States.
Alright, so the next maze we're going on, I don't even know where we are. What the heck? That was cool. You're doing great, Abby! You are a warrior! I'm just trying to give her some encouragement. She's gonna be taking the lead for this next maze.
These scary skeletons are silly all the same. They'll smile and scrabble slowly by and drive you so insane. These scary skeletons and shivers down your spine. Shrieking skulls will shut your soul up, seal your toes tonight. Wow. These skeletons are silly all the same. Slowly by and drive you so insane.
Woo! Yeah! Woo! Here, let's go! Woo! Well, there we go. That was Not Scary Farm, and oh my gosh, I had way more fun than I thought I would. I hope you enjoyed watching all of our scare reactions. MVP of the night, Abby, thank you for... Yeah, no, thank you for giving me all this footage. If you enjoyed most of these scare reactions courtesy of Abby, please hit that like button. She so deserves it. While you're at it, follow me on all my social media links. They will be in the description below. And hit that notification bell as well. And as always, keep dreaming, keep believing.